Hey guys and gals, it's your boy JR, and yes, we have snow here in March. We didn't get hit bad as bad as the Northeast. Yeah, they got blizzard conditions there. I'm here in Indiana, so we didn't get hit as bad. But my thoughts are going out to those folks that are digging themselves out this morning. I hope everyone is able to dig out okay in the Northeast. I hope you guys get back to normal soon. Thanks for following the Lone Wolf Bushcraft Instagram page. If you get a chance, go ahead and check out the Lone Wolf Bushcraft YouTube channel. Thanks for those that have subscribed to the Lone Wolf Bushcraft channel. And if you like the content you see on the Lone Wolf Bushcraft channel, please like and subscribe. I hope everyone has a good day, and I'll talk to you guys and gals later. Later, everybody. Peace. Hey guys and gals, it's your boy JR, and yes, there's snow on the ground even though we're in March, and parts of the Northeast got it much worse. I'm here in Indiana. We didn't get as bad as the Northeast, but yeah, snow in March, and I'm definitely ready for summer. So I'll talk to you guys and gals later. Everybody take care. Later, everybody.